Welcome back. To make your browsing experience smoother and more personalized, Symbaloo has three powerful extensions, namely the Symbaloo Bookmarker, the Symbaloo Homepage, and the Symbaloo Search. Today, we're going to talk about the Symbaloo Bookmarker extension, which makes it super easy to add websites to your webmix while you're browsing. With just one click on the extension, you can add any site to your Symbaloo webmix without even leaving the page you're on. Just make sure you have enough space on your webmix to add new tiles as you go. Let's get started. First, go to the website you want to add. Then click on the Symbaloo extension. And just like that, it's added. You can keep doing this for as many websites as you want. Again, having enough space on your webmix is key to adding more content. You can also edit your tiles easily, make them bigger, move them around, and customize them however you like. Once you're done editing your webmix or the individual tiles, don't forget to save your changes. To do that, first click on the Share or Publish button. Then sync your changes. And that's it, you're all set. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.